yeah, how we can deal with this against the stream of common thought. It seems quite a difficult thing to deal with.
Your own or the others?
I think it's both, isn't it? Because actually, one comes across other people who are encouraging you to go away from the present moment, but also it's within yourself that actually your own thinking is moving you away all the time. The
Can we
idea of
change anyone's chanda interest? Because people have different interests,
yes,
like this way and the other like the other way. But for you yourself only to know, actually, the truth is so true, it cannot be wrong at all. But it depends on how much there is the understanding of the truth as it is. See, you would like just to understand it only in the beginning, all right, that's all, or more than that, to the absolute truth, ultimate truth. It depends on each other's accumulation. No one can do anything, even one's own accumulation. All depends on conditions. Even right now, even the idea, the thought about this and that comes from accumulation, dependent on accumulation only. So it depends on one's own. As one cannot change one's own accumulation, how can the other or help the other to change? Impossible.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
So it depends
yes,
on how much one can see the value, the precious understanding, which can condition more wholesome moments in life up to the moment when it can eradicate completely that which has been accumulated, or akusala. If one just want to have it on and on, it doesn't matter at all to have it. It depends on the accumulation. But for anyone who thinks that there can be the understanding of this life, because to live without understanding from day to day till death with ignorance again and again and again, or just it doesn't harm anyone at all to understand the truth, the absolute truth. And understanding is quite different from ignorance, no understanding of what is there now at all, what is better depending on one's own accumulation. So what one can do is just talk about the words of the Buddha, the truth, absolute truth for whatever is there, to begin to understand what is the absolute truth. Whether it's the self, yesterday I did this and that, I ate this and that, and what about now? Whereas the I who eat yesterday, as I am eating, but today, if that moment is I, it's gone. The I is gone. See? Even right now, I'm speaking, but tomorrow, where's the I who is speaking now? Not at all. It's gone with each moment. No I tomorrow, so no I now. Because there will be tomorrow after this moment. Completely none at all from this moment. It depends who would like to understand better and better and better until it can be clear comprehension, penetrate the truth, the absolute truth, just at that which is now appearing. So the words of the Buddha for 45 years just to bring about the understanding of what is there. Because no attention, no chanda to know it at all from life to life. Just want to do this and that, not understanding this moment as it is, as it's gone, completely, unknowingly. But it can be directly experienced with the understanding of its characteristic as no one there at all. See, seeing is seeing. How can it be anyone? And it's gone when there is no more seeing. And this is the absolute truth. Nobody can change the way it is. It depends on who'd like to understand better until it can be a moment of enlightenment, the truth. That how can it be? It looks like impossible. The world is gone because only one reality is there. Because of sammasati, from understanding of no self, condition that moment without the idea of self or know beforehand that it will in that moment at all. That anothernness becomes clearer, because even right now, anothernness is each moment, but it does not open or reveal itself from moment of seeing to thinking, see? So very fast, very rapidly, no attention, no chanda to understand that, or from hearing, it brings about nothing is more worthy than just understanding the truth of this moment as it is, to have less and less ignorance and unwholesome moments. That's all. That's why we keep on talking about the truth which is hidden. It's now, this moment, but it's hidden. If there is no words of the truth to consider wisely, carefully, whether how it is, and that can be directly experienced through, because Panya develops, even right now, Sankhara Dhamma, no one there at all. How can anyone expect for the next moment to be? Impossible. Anatta, but it's not clear yet, because Panya doesn't let go the idea of self because of not understanding that life is just in a moment.